Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Devin Ricker, and today I am here with Lay from Fit with Lay. And last time you took me through a killer glute exercise, so I'm going to be taking her through an intense upper body exercise utilizing bands. You excited for this?
I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So on our agenda for today, we're going to go band tricep pull downs, band face pulls, band rows, band chest press, and then we're going to top it all off with band curls. This is going to be super intense. You're not going to want to miss this. Okay, so we're going to do this whole training routine with these sorts of resistance bands. These are linked in the description below. I really like these because they're interchangeable. You can make them even heavier or lighter. You can add bands on top of this. You can add as much as you'd like or as little as you'd like. And on all of these exercises today, we're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps. And if you can do a little bit more, go up to 20 reps. If you can't do quite 15, stay at 10. But with each of these 5 exercises, I want to try to go 3 sets of 15. Okay, so our first exercise, I usually like to do it at the top of the door, but you can also do it at the top of pretty much anything. So what we're gonna do is a tricep pull down. Now with this, you can use the handles like this, or you can just grip it on the actual band. You're gonna extend just like that. The important thing is that you want the band placed over your head and you want your elbows tucked in. Now when you do this, I always like to have my forearm and my bicep touch at the top of the lift, and then I like to extend all the way down to a full straightened arm position. So you want to choose a weight that's about a 7 out of 10 intensity for yourself. You want to choose something that's pretty intense, but not totally unbearable. Something that you can actually handle and do all of your reps with. How was that?
I think I lack doing triceps, so this will be a good one for me to do. Also, side note, I don't like to do upper body, but don't neglect it.
So our next exercise is a great exercise for your posture, your upper back. This is really gonna hit your traps back here and your rear delts, as well as your biceps. Okay, so with this exercise, you're gonna keep your elbows up the whole time, and you're gonna drive them back, and you're gonna squeeze your upper back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pretend you have like a pencil or a penny back there, and you're trying to squeeze it and hold it there. And then you're gonna come forward and you're gonna extend the back all the way, just like this. So it's like in school when you're trying to reach out and see if your arm is longer than the other person's, right? So that's what we want to do. We want to extend all the way. See how my back is slightly rounded at the top? And then we want to retract the shoulders and bring our elbows back, just like that. Sticking the chest out, arching the back, just like that. You're gonna really feel that in the back. You can see she's really squeezing that back right there. Yeah, shoulder blades are squeezing together. Technique is perfect. How was that?
That felt great. I love working back just to help with the posture, and I really could feel the squeeze in my shoulder blades. Resistance bands, y'all, get it, because it can just open a variety of exercises.
Okay, so next we're going to band rows. Now you can place this in the middle of the door around where the doorknob is, or you can place it on something that's about hip to belly button height for you. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start with your hands face down, and you're gonna twist them as you row it back towards you. Now, just like on the face pulls, you really wanna squeeze your back. You really wanna pinch those muscles back there. But unlike the face pulls, now your elbows are down. They're tucked in close to your body. So it looks like this. With the rows, your elbows are tucked in and everything's in really tight. Now you're still gonna wanna squeeze the back and squeeze the shoulder blades, but it's gonna hit your back from a slightly different angle. And instead of being upper traps, now it's gonna be mid-lower traps and some rhomboids and latissimus dorsi and all those other muscles. We don't really care about the name of them right now. We just care about working them, and we care about how it affects our posture. One thing that I like to do at the very front of the lift is I like to have my palms facing down because it stretches out the back just a little bit more. So I face my palms down and then I twist them on my way back. And I feel my back get really engaged when I do that, so give that a shot. So next we're going to the band chest press. This is one of my favorite chest exercises to do at home. Now you can put this halfway up the door again, or just in the same exact location where it's about belly to hip width. You can go a little bit higher for these than the rows if you want to, but the important thing is now instead of facing the band, you're facing away, and now you're gonna be pressing out. So just as the name implies, you're gonna be working your chest, you're also gonna be working the triceps out. So what I like to do with these is the exact opposite of a row. So now I'm starting with my elbows tucked in, and then I press them out, and then I like to twist my arms just like this, the complete opposite of the row, with my palms facing down, and then come back like this. I like to squeeze the chest, squeeze the triceps, and then back and stretch everything out from there. You can see she's locking out her arms all the way, She is crushing it. So when you lock out your arms like that, it's also a really great tricep exercise, not just chest.
I feel it in my chest.
Good. Okay, so now we're going into the last exercise, one of my favorite bicep exercises. This is band curls. So for this, I really like to have my palms facing my body when I start, and then I face them up towards the sky. So I twist them on the way up, just like this. You want to keep your elbow in a pretty good position. You don't want to be moving it around back and forth like that. You want to slightly bring it forward at the top and then slightly back right beside you, but you don't want to rock it. So just like this. And I even like to put a little pause at the top too to feel a little bit more in the bicep. There you go. Nice. Heck yeah, you did it.
Yeah. My arms are burning. That's the word of this whole video, burning.
Okay, so Lay just absolutely crushed that workout. How was it for you?
That was intense. My arms are pretty tired. Having resistance bands definitely is a game changer.
So yeah, if you haven't tried resistance bands, I have a link in the description down below for the resistance bands that I like to use, that we use today. So you can check those out. And then also go check out Fit with Lay. She's gonna have mind-blowing content on fitness and how to stay fit from home. So make sure to check her out. And guys, thank you so much for watching this workout today. I hope you found it helpful. Let us know in the comments below what you thought about the workout today, and if you've ever tried any of these movements with resistance bands. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Gotta get her energy. She absolutely crushed it. She crushed it.
I'm a pizza crust.
Okay.